Text structures. Description. The definition is, the author explains a topic, idea, person, place, or thing by listing characteristics, features, and examples. The focus is on one thing and its components. Signal words, for example, consists of, for instance, looks like, such as, most important, and characteristics are. Some summary questions are, what specific person, place, thing, event, or concept is being described? What are the most important attributes or characteristics? How does the topic be described? If you see these questions, you'll know as a description. A concept map is used for descriptions. See if you can figure out why this is a description sentence. The magnificent sunset is full of color. It consists of red, purple, orange, and yellow. This sentence is a description sentence because it explains a place/idea and uses the signal words consists of. Sequence and order. Definition. The author lists items or events in numerical or chronological order. Describes the order of events or how to do/make something. Signal words. First, second, third, next, then, after, before, prior to, not long after, while, meanwhile, at the same time, following, on, or at. Summary questions. What sequence of events is being described? What are the major events or incidents that occur? What are the steps, directions, or procedures to follow? What is the beginning of the event? If you see any of these questions, you will know it is a sequence in order. A sequence in order chart is often used to organize sequences. See if you can find out why this is a sequence in order sentence. She made a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. First, she spread peanut butter on one slice of bread. Next, she spread jelly on one slice of bread. Finally, she put the two slices of bread together. This is an example of sequence in order because it lists events in chronological order. It also includes the signal words first, next, and finally. Compare and contrast. Definition. The author explains how two or more things are alike and or how they are different. Signal words. Differs from, similar to, in contrast, alike, same as well as, on the other hand, both, either, or, not only, but also, yet, although, but, however, on the other hand. Summary questions. What items are being compared? What is it about them that is being compared? What characteristics of these items form the basis of comparison? What characteristics do they have in common? How are these items alike? In what way are these items different? If you see any of these summary questions, then you'll know it's a compare and contrast. This is a Venn diagram. It's used to compare and contrast. See if you can figure out why this sentence is a compare and contrast. Both the dog and the cat make good household pets, but the dog requires more attention than a cat. This is an example of compare and contrast because it points out and explains why two things/ideas are the same and different. It also has the signal words both and but. Cause and effect. Definition. The author lists one or more causes or events and resulting consequences or effects. Effects are what happened. The cause is what made it happen. Purpose is to explain or how something happened, exists, or works. There will often be an if-then pattern. Signal words. Reasons why, if-then, reasons for, since, as a result of, so, therefore, in order to, because of, result, leads or leads to, effects of, caused by, outcome, impact, influenced by, and brought out by. Summary questions. What happened? What didn't happen? What was the reason for? What was the effect or effects of the event, what happened as a result of it. What were the results or outcomes caused by the event? In what ways did prior event or events cause or influence the main event? Will the result always happen from these causes? If you see any of these, you'll know it's cause and effect. This is a cause and effect graphic organizer. See if you can figure out why this is a cause and effect sentence. When the water is heated, the molecules move quickly. Therefore, the water boils. This is an example of cause and effect sentence because it explains the event resulting in a consequence. It also includes the signal words therefore. This is our last one. Problem and solution. Definition. The author states a problem and lists one or more possible solutions to the problem. It may also include the pros and cons for the solutions. Signal words. Problem is, since, dilemma is, solved puzzle is, question, answer, because. This led to, therefore, the main difficulty is, one possibility, solution is, one challenge, this led to, so that, it, then, thus. Summary questions. What is the problem or problems? Who had the problem? What is causing the problem? Why is this a problem? What is wrong and how can it be taken care of? What solutions are recommended or attempted? What can be improved, changed, fixed, or remedied? What are the pros and cons of the solutions offered? If you see any of these summary questions, you'll know it is a problem and solution. This is a fishbone diagram to show problem solution. You can tell because it looks like a fishbone. See if you can figure out why this is a problem and solution. The problem is, my room is a mess. This led to me cleaning it. This is an example of a problem and solution because the sentence explains the problem and what the problem caused them to do. There are also signal words. The problem is, this led to. Thank you for listening.